Python sets. Okay, a set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. Okay, remember, set is a collection which is unordered. It is unordered. It doesn't have a specific index position. Okay, you don't have a specific index position like we did on tuple. We can access a value using the index position of that. Like when we wanted to print out banana, we use the index position 3 to get banana. All right, and we can change the index position of banana and it will give us the index position of that. But on set, it is always changing. It's just like a random number. Okay, just like a random number, you won't know the next position where it will be. It keeps on changing. That is what a set does. It is unordered and unindexed. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. Okay, in example here, create a set. We have this set as a variable name assigned apple, banana, and cherry. Now, as you can see here, this bracket is different from a list bracket and a tuple bracket. Rather, is a curly bracket. This makes this a set. Because of the presence of the curly bracket, it turns it to a set. All right. Now, once we print this, it will print out this value. I may copy this and come back to our code and paste this. All right, now once I print this set, if I should run this, it gives me apple, banana, and cherry. Let me run it again. It gives me banana, apple, and cherry. Okay, it keeps on changing. It keeps on changing. If I should run it again, it gives me banana, apple, and cherry again. If I should run it again, it gives me apple, cherry, banana. It keeps on changing. I can add more, like maybe a mango. And I may add more like orange. Okay, if I should run this now, it gives me banana, orange, apple, mango, and cherry. But what we have here was apple, banana, cherry, mango, orange. But the answer was banana, orange, apple, mango, and cherry. Once you keep on running it, it keeps on changing the index position of each items. A set uh, 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 is unordered and unindexed. Okay, you cannot get the index position. If you want to get the index position of banana, like here, banana is said to be on the first first index position. That is on one index position. But here, banana is the fourth, I be the third index position. Okay, so it is on index. You cannot access the index position. Like if I should say this is the variable name, this set dot index uh maybe banana attribute error. Set object has no attribute index, so you cannot check the index position of banana because it keeps on uh changing, so you can't get the index position of banana. All right, okay, back to our code. Access item. You cannot access items in a set by referring to an index. Since sets are unordered, the items has no index. Okay, but you can loop through the set items using the for loop or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. All right, like if if apple in this set, print this, print this set, print yes. It says apple does exist. Okay, you can use the for loop to check if apple is in the list. We can also use the for loop, sorry, we use the if statement. We can also use the for loop to iterate through the set. Let's check if it will work. We may say for s in this set, column, print s. We got the answer: banana, mango, cherry, apple, and orange. But yet it is on index. Banana took the first index, but here apple was the first. Okay, now it have looked through the set and gives us the result. So we can look through a set and do some other tasks. Yeah. Okay, changing an item. Once a set is created, you cannot change each item, but you can add new items. All right, just like a tuple, you cannot change. But the difference here is that this allows you to add an item, but it doesn't allow you to make a change, like removing an item and replacing it with another one. It does not allow you to do that, but you can add an item. Okay. Now, to add one item to a set, use the add method. To add more than one item to a set, use the update method. Okay, use add to add one item, or use the update method to add as many as you want. Okay, here we have this set, this, and dot add will add this. Let us check. Here's the set. We have this set. We may say this set dot add. Now we specify what we want to add. We want to add plantain. Okay, print this set. Here we don't have plantain. Now we have added plantain to it. Let us run the program. We can now see plantain as the last index of the value this set. Now what if we want to add plantain and maybe some other things like plantain, a cherry, and many of them? Something like, let me just type fruits. Okay, now you can see the color change. The color change means you cannot add more than one item using the add function, using the add method. If I should run this, it gives me error. It says set does add take exactly one argument, but I gave three, so I cannot do that. But to do that, then I have to use the update method. Okay, I have to use the update method. Now the color has returned back to its normal position. If I should run this, I now have orange, cherry, mango. What is this? Wow. What is going on here? Okay. Uh Let me correct that. Okay, what happened here is that I have to turn this to a list. Okay, I have to add a list. I have to store these items in a list. Okay, then update it. To do that, uh just use the list bracket. Okay, I've added the square bracket at the end and at the beginning. Okay, now if I should run this, I think it should work perfectly. Okay, it's okay. Now we have fruits: mango, cherry, orange, plantain, apple, and banana. Initially here we have apple, banana, cherry, mango, and orange. So I added three, and this three, remember, set is on index, so fruits should be on the last, but rather it was the first here. So the first here we have plantain and cherry. cherry was the second index. Just that it doesn't have an index position. It just add everything there and start working with them. So that is how um, set works in Python. But using a set, we can check the length of the set. We can check the length. We can also remove an item using the remove method or the discard method. All right, we can do that. We may say remove apple. We want to remove apple, we use the remove method. Okay, this set dot remove apple, print this set. Now we have orange, banana, cherry, and mango. Apple has been removed. We can also remove using discard. Okay, discard. Okay, discard apple. Now we printed it and it gives us mango, cherry, banana, and orange. Apple has been removed. Okay, you can use the remove method or the discard method to remove an item on the tuple, right? We can also use the pop method to remove item on a set. Okay, remember, pop removes the last item on a list. Okay, it removes the last item on a list. Now on a set, remember, set is unordered and is on index. So using a pop will just remove anyone. You won't know the one it will remove. Okay, we may say pop. Pop doesn't require any argument. This list dot pop. Now print this list. Normally orange is the last item here. Orange should be removed, but because we are using the set, we won't know the one that will be removed. Once I run this, it gives me orange, mango, cherry, and banana, which means apple has been removed. Okay, instead of the last, it's removed the first. If I should run this again using the pop, I have cherry, apple, orange, mango, which means banana has been removed. Okay, the pop just remove anyone because there's no one which was specified to be the last index, like on a list. Okay, cherry, banana, mango, orange, apple has been removed again. So we use the pop method to remove an item from the set, but you won't know the one which will be removed. It will remove any one it places it. Okay, we also have a clear method. Once I add a clear method and run this, it will clear the whole set and return an empty set. You can see here it returns an empty set using the clear set. We can also use the del keyword to delete the set entirely. Once I run this, it gives me name error. Name, this set is not defined because we have already deleted it. There are many of them. We can join two sets together. Okay, join two sets. There are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use the union. Okay, union method that returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. All right, union returns the concatenation of the both sets in another variable, while update returns or insert the data on the second set into the first set, or the first into the second. Okay, example, the union method returns a new set with all items from both sets. Okay, we have set 1, set 2, and set 3. Set 1 contains this value, set 2 contains this value, and set 3 contains the value of set 1 union set 2. That is set 1, set 2 is saved on set 3. Now once I print this, I get this. I can copy this. All right. I have this variable called set1 and it contains ABC, and variable called set2, it contains 1, 2, 3. And here I want to assign set1 and set2 to set3. Now to do that, let me just clean this. You cannot just say set3 equals to set1 plus set2 like we have been doing on list and tuple. Okay, if I should run this, it will raise an error. Says type error, unsupported operand types for the plus sign. Okay, but to do this we'll use union set1 union set1 dot union set2. Now once I print set3, it now gives me 1, 2, 3 A, B, C. Okay, it have added it, and it's just added this at its first beginning because it doesn't have index. Okay, it can add it at anywhere. We have B 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 A, C. It can add at anywhere. We have 1, 2, 3. It's just like a random number. Set works like a random number. All right. Then right over here we have the update. Okay, the update method inserts the items in set2 into set1. Okay, we have set1 equals to ABC, set2 equals to 1, 2, 3. Now set1 dot update, then in update you specify step 2 and print set1. Okay, we don't need to set another variable. This, what we have to do here is to try to update them, like set1 equals to set1 dot update dot update. What do I want to update? I want to update step 2, set2 to set1. Okay, and then print the set1. Now it gives me none. All right, I think the error is here. The error is here. So set1 dot update insert set2. Okay, right there on the update, and use the set2 as an argument. All right, and then print set1. Now it still added it. We have 1 C, B, 2, 3 A. Okay, if I should run it, it should still change. We have C, A, 1, 2, 3 B. Okay, these are the two methods you can uh, join two or more sets. Okay, how you can join them and print the answer. These are the major two parts. It is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. Like we're using list and tuple, we can also use set. Okay, using set constructor to make a set. Constructor is just like a function that was created or designed that to return a set whenever you run the type. Okay, like when we use list on tuple, it converts the tuple into a list, or when we use tuple on a list, it converts the list into a tuple. Here we can use set to convert into a set. Like here we said this is a value and we include set. Okay, this keyword or this function here set turns this value to a set. Okay, and then print the result. Like okay, if I should print type set1, it says tuple. Okay, it says tuple because of the presence of this round bracket and comma. Okay, but I can use the constructor to change it to a set. Okay, now what I have to do is I've written the set constructor. I have to include the parentheses, so it will all this data will be in a parenthesis. So I add parentheses here and also add it here. All right. Okay, let me run this. It says set. All right. It says set. I'm no more tuple. So I can use the constructor to change the value of that, or to change the type of that to what I want. So I have now changed this to a set. Initially it said it was tuple, but now it is a set. Now, set method. Python has a set of built-in method that you can use on set. Okay, we have add, like we have been using. You can add an element to a set, clear, remove all elements from the set, copy, returns a copy of set, like we normally did. Something like we normally did set one dot copy. Okay, we may set s equals to set one dot copy, and here print s. It will print out the copy of set. Okay, it have printed it out a b c. So that is how you can run it. Copy, we have difference, returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Okay, to do that, let's change this back to curly brackets. We may say set3 equals to, or set1 dot difference. Okay, now the difference of what do I want to check? I want to change the difference of set1 and set2. Okay, now let's print set1. It will only print the difference. The difference is a b c. Okay, here I can include a and c, and here I may include 1 and 3. Now printing the difference of set1 and set2, it says 1 3 b a c. Okay, 1 and 1. Okay, the set1 has 1, set2 has 1. Okay, and set2 has 2, but set1 don't have 2. It won't print it. Set2 has 3, set1 has 3. Okay, it's run. Set2 has a, set1 has a. It's run. Set2 has c, and set1 has c. So it prints out the differences between the both. Okay, the what this has and this also has, it's just printed them out. Now you have difference updates, removes the items in this set that are also included, okay, in another set. The set updates will remove the items in this set, and also uh removes the items in this set that are also included in the other set. It will just remove them and print only the difference, that is what that is here and is not there. That's what it will print. Okay, difference update, like here we may say difference underscore update. Okay, now set1 does difference update set2. it will print the difference between set 1 and set 2. Now b b is on set 1, but it is not found on set 2. Okay, we may specify set 2 difference update set 1 print set 2. Here is 2. On set 2 I have 2, but on set 1 I don't have something like that here. So it just printed out the difference between them, what that makes them different. All right, why the difference only printed that which occurs on set 1 and occurs on set 2, but difference update prints the difference between the both of them. All right, here we have discard, like remove the specified item. Intersection returns a set that is the intersection of two other sets. Okay, we may try to run that dot intersection. Okay, now once I run it, it prints out 1 2 3 AC. Okay, 1 2 3 on 2, then AC. That is the intersections of set 2 and set 1. Let me change this to set 2 and set 1 and run the program. 1 3 C A B. We still have a lot of them. I've already given you this document. In case you have not gotten this document, just chat me up on my WhatsApp link on this group chat, and I will send this document so you access the document and try all this code yourself. Okay, we have intersections, update, is digital. Okay, is subset, is upper set, pop, remove. There are a lot of them. Okay, there are a lot of them. Just I'll make another separate video for this. But if you need this document, just chat me up on my WhatsApp. I will leave the WhatsApp link and I will send the documents to you.